Hey, it's Joe Soto. Quick update on my core journey. Did a video in January. Here we are, October 30th of 2015, and this year's been amazing. Have doubled my production from last year, and it's October 30th. Hired an LP2 back in March who's helped really change my business, and just hired an LP1 about 2 weeks ago to join the team as well. And I would have never ever taken those steps without Kirk and everyone at the core pushing me and guiding me. I had those limiting beliefs that I had to do everything. I had to touch every file and hold everything, and have realized that there's other people that can help me through the process if I guide them, if I show them how to do it. So it's been a life changer for me, thinking why I didn't do this years ago, to be quite honest. But looking forward to what the next 10 or 12 months is going to bring. Looking forward to getting to a summit next year, hopefully two, and looking forward to just continuing to grow the team and do good things. So thanks a bunch. Appreciate answering all my emails, texts, phone calls, all of that fun stuff, giving me the forms and the guidance and all of that. So thank you so much. Wouldn't be here without you guys, and looking forward to 2016. Bye.